academics, we gave equal importance to the hobbies and clubs in order to sharpen the skills of the cadets. An exhibition reflecting these hobbies and clubs has been arranged today for the guests. Excursion trips and educational visits are a regular feature to our training program. This year, our sports contingent visited Military College Jhelum in October 2012. Ladies and gentlemen, a word about development of the college. It delights me to inform that this year college has added 8th hostel named Sachal House. The cadets of class 7 and Cambridge system have been accommodated in this new house. In order to enhance the riding facilities for the cadets, this year college has added 6 good breed horses in the riding club, for which we are indebted to Mr. Shoaib Siddiqui, who is sitting here amongst the parents, who has donated 4 horses, and Mr. Hanif Abdani, who unfortunately couldn't make it today, who has donated 2 horses. Ladies and gentlemen, as we all know, security is of paramount importance. In the prevailing situation, in order to beef up the security cover of the campus, a rangers checkpost has been established inside the college. Sir, with the help of and courtesy of the government, college has completed various development projects, which include Sachal House, additional block of cadets mess, so-safe water filter plant, construction of library, 3 quarters for the riding staff, and boundary wall of the riding school. The construction of auditorium having the capacity of 1200 persons and examination hall is in progress. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of our benefactors and patrons who have been extending their all-out support to the college. My staff and myself have always felt grateful to Chairman Board of Governors and members of the board for their full support in running this elite institution. I am thankful to Pitarian Foundation for sponsoring 2 college employees for Hajj and for provision of scholarship grant for the deserving and needy cadets. I am thankful to Pitarian Association, especially its president, Mr. Shahbaz Al-Malik, for special grant of rupees 5 lakhs for the welfare of the employees, Eid package for low-paid employees, and sponsoring 1 faculty member for the Hajj. Sir, my thanks are also due to Pakistan Army, particularly the command of Pak Camp Pitaro. They have extended all possible support and cooperation to the college as and when requested. Sir, I would like to thank you once again on behalf of my staff, employees, Pitarians, and the parents for gracing today's occasion with your presence. Cadet College Pitaro, Zindabad, Pakistan, Paindabad.
Ladies and gentlemen, now the parade commander cautions the proficiency banner party to move. And with this, Cadet Maaz Siddiqui of class 12 cautions the company to march forward. Ladies and gentlemen, the holder of the proficiency banner is Cadet Muhammad Mushtaba of class 12. He secured 88% marks in SSC Part 2 examination. With him are the 2 rifle squad cadets, leading Cadet Amar and leading Cadet Ahmad of class 11th. Behind them, Cadet Shiraz Varaish leads the party. He secured 90% marks in his SSC Part 2 examination. He is member of college cricket team. Ladies and gentlemen, this year Caspians are the champions. The Honorable Chief Guest presents a proficiency banner. The guard presents arm. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see the proficiency banner party turns round and now moving towards its position. Now Cadet Noor Warsi holds the proficiency banner. He secured 89% marks in SSC Part 2 examination. He is member of College Debating Society. With him are the two Rifle Squad cadets, Cadet Faizan Waheed and Cadet Yasir Kafil. Cadet Faizan Waheed secured 91.41% marks in SSC Part 2 examination. He is member of College Hockey Team and is also appointed as the leading cadet of Iqbal House. Cadet Yasir Kafil secured 88.6% marks in his SSC Part 2 examination. He is member of College Cricket Team. The party commander is Cadet Maas Siddiqui. He secured 89% marks in his SSC Part 2 examination. He is member of College Football and also an active member of College Debating Society. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a day of men's pride and honor for the cadets of the Muhammad bin Qasim House to see themselves at this coveted position. Being the champions is only the result of the hard work, dedication, and devotion. Ladies and gentlemen, now it is the turn of prize distribution ceremony. The parade commander cautions the prize winners to fall out. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, the prize winners march out from their respective houses to assemble behind the guard. They are indeed the shining stars of our college. We are extremely proud of them, for they have excelled in all the fields, such as academics, sports, and co-curricular activities.
सबक फिर पढ़ सदाकत का, अदालत का, शुजात का, लिया जाएगा तुझसे काम दुनिया की इमामत का.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed a day of men's happiness and excitement for them and their parents as well, to see their son standing with a distinction. The glow of pleasure on their faces is vividly visible. They possess an inviolable pride, making their parents' dreams come true. They really deserve countless congratulations for them and their parents. Ladies and gentlemen, with this, I hand over the mic to Cadet Abdullah Qazi for the prize distribution ceremony. Over to you, Abdullah.
Thank you, Wasim. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Senior Leading Cadet Abdullah Qazi of Class 12 with you for the announcement of prize distribution ceremony. Here are the awards and prizes for the year 2011-12. I request the worthy chief guest to please give away the awards and prizes to the prize winners. Cadet Yahya.
Yes, sir.
Kid number P608 of Muhammad bin Qasim House secured the first position with 91.22% marks in class 7th annual examination. Cadet Muhammad Osama.
Yes, sir.
Kid number P615 secured the second position with 89.89% marks in class 7th annual examination. Cadet Hafiz Saad.
Yes, sir.
Kit number 11017 secured the first position with 90.89% marks in class 8 annual examination. Cadet Azharuddin.
Yes, sir.
Kit number 11127 secured the second position with 89.78% marks in class 8 annual examination. Cadet Amir Hamza secured the first position with 91.56% marks in O-level annual examination. Cadet Ibrahim Siraj
Yes, sir.
secured the second position with 84.84% marks in O-level annual examination. Cadet Yahya Bhutto. Kit number 10163 secured the first position with 93.41% marks in class 9 annual board examination. Cadet Muhammad Ibrar. Kit number 10010 secured the second position with 92.94% marks in class 9 annual board examination. Cadet Arsalan Ahmed. Kit number 9067 secured the first position in the entire Hyderabad board with 94.11% marks in class 10 annual board examination. He is awarded with gold medal, academic shield, letter of commendation, and a cash award. Cadet Bilal Zafar. Kit number 9173 secured the third position in the entire Hyderabad board with 93.41% marks in class 10th annual board examination. He is awarded with bronze medal, academic shield, letter of commendation, and a cash award. Ex-Cadet Hassan Ahmed. Kit number 7077 secured the first position with 83.54% marks in class 12 annual board examination pre-engineering group. Ex-Cadet Aurangzeb. Kit number 7046 secured the second position with 83.45% marks in class 12 annual board examination pre-engineering group. Ex-Cadet Naeem Abbas. Kit number 7002 secured the third position with 83.09% marks in class 12 annual board examination pre-engineering group. Ex-Cadet Khizar Ejaz. Kit number 7081 shared the third position with 83.09% marks in class 12 annual board examination pre-engineering group. Ex-Sports Cadet Captain Uzair Arshad. Kit number 7111 also shared the third position with 83.09% marks in class 12 annual board examination pre-engineering group. Ex-Cadet Abdullah. Kit number 7163 secured the first position with 84.09% marks in Class 12 Annual Board Examination Pre-Medical Group. Ex-Cadet Imran Abdo, kit number 7095, shared the first position with 84.09% marks in Class 12 Annual Board Examination Pre-Medical Group. Ex-Cadet Irshad Ali, kit number 7102, also shared the first position with 84.09% marks in Class 12 Annual Board Examination Pre-Medical Group. Ex-Cadet Noor Mohammed, kit number 7177, secured the second position with 82.18% marks in Class 12 Annual Board Examination Pre-Medical Group. Ex-Cadet Abdullah Haroon, kit number 7141, secured the third position with 80.45% marks in Class 12 Annual Board Examination Pre-Medical Group. The Inter-House Sports Shield for Seniors goes to Jinnah House. Cadet Captain Iftikhar Ahmed receives the shield on behalf of his house. The Inter-House Sports Shield for Juniors goes to Latif House. Cadet Captain Ali Hassan receives the shield on behalf of his house.
Yes, sir.
The Inter-House Co-Curricular Activities Shield goes to Ayub House. Senior Leading Cadet Rafe Kamar receives the shield on behalf of his house.
Yes, sir.
The Inter-House Academic Shield is won by Ayub House. Cadet Captain Shahzeb Hassan receives the shield on behalf of his house.
Yes, sir.
Dr. Ziauddin Ahmed Gold Medal goes to ex-cadet Muhammad Faizan bin Abed, kit number 7170, for securing highest marks in mathematics in HSC 1 and 2 Annual Board Examination 2012. The sports medal goes to ex-cadet Ahmad Nawaz, kit number 7080, for being the best sportsman for the year 2011-12. The Medal of Honor goes to ex-cadet Captain Furqan Kamar, kit number 7123. He has been adjudged as the best appointment holder for the year 2011-12. On behalf of Cadet Captain Furqan Kamar, his father receives the prize. The Badge of Honor goes to Cadet Rajar Salan, kit number 9085 of Jinnah House, for his overall best performance up to Class 10th. The Stick of Honor and a cash award of Rs 10,000 is awarded to ex-chairman honor committee Cadet Numan Sharif, kit number 7178 of Jinnah House, for his overall best performance up to Class 12. Ladies and gentlemen, Cadet Numan. Now the runners-up trophy. The runners-up trophy goes to Jinnah House.
Yes, sir.
Housemaster Hafiz Khalid Majid accompanies his cadet captain and senior leading cadets to receive the trophy from the worthy chief guest. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, the biggest award of the year, the Champions Trophy. And then champion house of this year is Mohammad bin Qasim House. The house master, Assistant Professor Parvez Ahmed, is requested to accompany his chairman honor committee, sports cadet captain, and senior leading cadets to receive the trophy from the honorable chief guest. Ladies and gentlemen, the Cosmans receive the Champions Trophy. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the biggest award of the college. Now I request Assistant Professor Mohammad Zafar Laghari for the further announcements. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Abdullah. This is Mohammad Zafar Laghari, Assistant Professor, Department of English, for the announcements of awards in professional excellence in 3 categories. These are Best Employee Award, Best Officer Award, Best Teacher Award. The awards are given on the basis of extraordinary performance, punctuality, integrity, and professional attitude. First, the Best Employee Award. The Best Employee Award goes to Mr. Maman Baksh. He is working as a mechanic in water supply department. He looks after machinery of the water supply. He plays vital role in the provision of clean water to the cadets and his staff and to the employees. He is a willing worker and he works in the best interest of college. Next is the Best Officer Award. The Best Officer Award goes to Assistant Professor Ahmad Ali Qazi. Beside teaching Urdu, he is officer in charge caretaking, mechanical transport, guest house, cafeteria, canteen, and bachelor hostel. It will not be out of place to mention that Mr. Qazi received appreciation certificate from the Kamkar Chairman Board of Governors in 2011. Now the Best Teacher Award. This year, Best Teacher Award goes to Professor Sharafat Ali Rajput. He did his MSc in chemistry from Quaid-e-Azam University. He joined Petaro in 1990. For his meritorious service, he was made housemaster Jinnah House. He remained there for 14 years. During this period, House received Champion Trophy thrice. Ladies and gentlemen, now may I request worthy principal to present the traditional gifts and college cadets to the honorable chief guest on behalf of cadets and staff as the mark of reverence for him. Ladies and gentlemen, now I request worthy chief guest to address the gathering.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Commander Karachi and Chairman Board of Governors, Principal Cadet College Petaro, senior officers, staff members, respected parents, worthy Petarians, my dear young cadets, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It's indeed a matter of immense pleasure and honor for me to be here on this memorable occasion of Parents' Day of this prestigious institution. I am thankful to the principal and the staff members for inviting me on this occasion. It is so pleasant to see smartly dressed cadets with glowing faces and colorful emblems all around. Ladies and gentlemen, Cadet College Petaro can rightly be proud of the reputation it has earned, being one of the premier education institutions of the country. Over the years, the college has proven its mettle as a nursery for grooming some fine young men on consistent basis. In particular, services being rendered to cadets of less developed areas of Sindh are indeed praiseworthy. The solid foundation the college provides has enabled many battalions to excel and rise to the very top in various fields, be it armed forces, civil service, superior services, law, engineering, medical, business, politics, and many more disciplines. I am delighted to see some of the prominent battalions here who are indeed a source of motivation for the future aspirants. I do hope that the college will continue to not only maintain the high standards, but raise the benchmark even higher progressively. It should be reassuring for the parents that they have made the right choice of opting for this college for their sons and wards. Ladies and gentlemen, the current situation that has beset our nation has impacted all walks of life. I have no doubt that the lack of education has compounded and abetted the rise of extremist tendencies in our society. I am reminded of a quote from Nelson Mandela, who said, "Education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world." Institutions like Petaro have a vital responsibility in contributing to social and societal improvements through quality education. I am confident that much more aware and competent youth will rise to the challenges that lie ahead. Let me also remind that a strong character is equally essential to progress as a nation. I am pleased to see that the well-rounded curriculum at Petaro enables character building and also the physical strength. In short, if Pakistan were to take its rightful place in the Committee of Nations and to move rapidly on the road to progress and prosperity, we must develop enlightened and tolerant, technology-savvy, and skilled human resource. Ladies and gentlemen, the progress presented by the principal in his speech reflects excellent performance of the college during the last academic year. Outstanding results in the academic field and other achievements speak for themselves. Such commendable achievements are no doubt a result of consistent hard work, selfless devotion, and sincerity of the faculty and staff of the college. I am really impressed to see a very high standard of discipline in the college, which is visible in every field. I congratulate the principal and his team for producing such outstanding results, not only in academics, but also sports and co-curricular activities. Winning the Kerala College Sports Championship for 8th consecutive year, introduction of camera system, completion of central house project, and above all, the management of English language in the college deserves special mention. Here I must acknowledge the contribution of Italian Association and Italian Foundation for supporting their alma mater. Ladies and gentlemen, the list of high achievers is long and the achievements are many, but I would make mention of few of them due paucity of time. I profoundly congratulate Cadet Arsalan Ahmed and Cadet Bilal for securing first and third positions respectively in the entire Hyderabad board in the writing exams of 2012. Well done, we are very proud of you. My heartiest congratulations also to Cadet Noman Sharif for winning the Stick of Honor, Cadet Raja Arsalan Ahmed for winning the Badge of Honor, Cadet Ahmed Nawaz as Best Sportsman, Cadet Furqan Kamal for securing the award of Best Appointment Holder, and Cadet Mohammad Faizan bin Abed for winning Dr. Sajjaduddin Ahmed Gold Medal for being the highest scorer in mathematics in the intermediate exams. My warm felicitations to Muhammad bin Qasim House for being the champion house and Jinnah House for being the runner-up. I also congratulate Professor Shafat Ali for being the best teacher, Assistant Professor Ahmed Ali Qazi for being the best officer, and Muhammad Bash for being the best employee for the year 2011-12. Before I conclude, let me reiterate that Pakistan Navy will continue to promote education across the country. Some of you may be aware, a new cadet college at Ormara will inshallah start functioning early next year. The college has been modeled on Potaro and I hope one day reaches the heights Potaro has achieved. Let me assure the staff that Pakistan Navy will continue to render its all-out support and cooperation to this college. On this occasion, I take the opportunity to announce a small grant of 10 lakh rupees for the welfare of the staff. I once again thank the Chairman Board of Governors and the Principal for inviting me on this occasion and providing me an opportunity to address the budding cadets. I would also like to congratulate the Command, the Principal, Commodore Muhammad Afzal and his staff, the cadets, and all others associated with this college for all that they have done for making this day very colorful and memorable. At the end, I pray that may Allah Almighty give us the wisdom and strength to stay on the right path so that we become good Muslims and good Pakistanis. I also earnestly pray that this premier institution of the country may see further developments and achieve many more distinctions in years to come. Cadet College Potaro, Zindabad, Pakistan, Paindabad.
Ladies and gentlemen, now the parade commander orders the parade to raise the slogans for the chief guest. And now, the parade advances review order to present the General Salam. The guard presents arm. Ladies and gentlemen, now the parade commander, Chief Cadet Captain Hamza Anjum, is approaching to seek the permission from the chief guest for the march past. He holds the highest appointment due to his extraordinary performance in all the fields. That are academics, sports, co-curricular activities, and conduct.
Stop! Chief Cadet Captain Hamza Barak! Just stop! Parade
The permission is granted. Ladies and gentlemen, with the beat of the drum, you can see all the appointment holders taking their respective positions for the march past. The college guard leads the parade, while the rest of the escorts follow it one by one under the command of respective cadet captains. They all are synchronizing their steps in order to get ready for the march past.